Alright guys, in this video you will learn how to get email addresses and phone numbers from your Instagram DMs using a Manychat automation. So when somebody messages you or even comments to get a lead magnet or a freebie, you get their email, you get their phone number before you give them this free gift or guide or whatever. So this is what I'm going to show you how to build in this video. You will need Manychat for this. I have the pro version, but I'm pretty sure you can do this with the free version as well. And you want to go to automation and start a new automation. I always like to just start from scratch and start with a blank canvas. So here you want to set up your trigger. I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to have a user sends a message, so an inbound DM trigger, and I'm going to call this, let's say the keyword is going to be test underscore keyword, and I'm going to copy this, and I prefer the message is filter instead of message contains, because if they write a big ass message and it contains that one little word, it's gonna trigger your automation. So I use the is filter. So I'm gonna create this, and then we're gonna send the message, but I'm gonna delete this message here, and we're gonna go to data collection. So this is gonna be a same type of message. Hey man, please drop your email so I can send you the lead magnet. And here you want to change the contact reply to email, and it's going to save it to the email Manychat system field. And this data collection expires in 30 minutes. This is going to be our opportunity for follow-ups. So if they don't give us an answer in this much time, 30 minutes or 30 hours or whatever, we can send them another message and follow up asking for that specific thing. So I'm gonna set this to whatever, keep it to 30 minutes. And if they don't give a correct email address in their response, this message is gonna go out to them. Please enter a correct email address in this format. So we're gonna keep it like this. And if they reply, if they gave us their email address, we're also gonna ask for their phone number. Same thing, delete this from here, data collection. Please also send your phone number, and then the contact reply should be a phone step. And here you can also go down and you can adjust the follow-up here. I'm gonna do this to 30 seconds so we can test it in the actual live demonstration. And you can also write the little message that gets sent out if they don't give a correct phone number. But I'm gonna keep it the same way. And then after they gave both of them, we're gonna send them the lead magnet. I'm gonna get this one right here, and here's the, or like whatever, I'm just gonna drop the link here, doesn't matter. And then we are done. And then as for the follow-ups, first you wanna obviously set here the follow-up times, 30 minutes, and here, this is just gonna be 30 seconds for this second one for demonstration. And then use this if contact has not responded step, use this to do another Instagram step, and then delete it, and same data collection, just send your email bro. And then same contact reply, email, and if they give it, go to the next step. And if they don't give their phone number, also do a follow-up, Instagram, boom, data collection, just drop them digits G. And then we will ask for a phone number here, boom. And you can add multiple follow-ups if you want, like follow-up, this is follow-up 1, follow-up round 1, you can have follow-up round 2, and etc. So this is pretty much it. I'm gonna set it live and we're gonna test it. I'm gonna message myself from my other Instagram, test underscore keyword. And this should trigger the first step of the automation. Hey man, please drop your email so I can send you the lead magnet. And I'm just gonna say some bullshit. What? And this should ask for that correct form of email. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. And now it will go to the phone number. Please also drop your phone number. And I'm gonna not say anything. And after 30 seconds, it should send the follow-up. Just drop them digits G. Okay, I'm gonna give my phone number here. And once that is collected, I'm gonna get the lead magnet, boom, there it is. And if I go back to Manychat, if I go to contacts, Smarton, my email and phone number have been saved. So this is how you set up an automation that gets email and phone number on Manychat. See you in the next video, guys.